Hi cooks, welcome to Amy Learns to Cook. On the show today, we're going to do an unboxing of the Homeleader Meat Grinder. Now this is a dedicated meat grinder, unlike another meat grinder we use that is attached to a stand mixer. I was really interested in this because we did a test of the air fryer from Homeleader. They have a really nice product and I wanted to check this out to see how it performed as well. So join me as we do an unboxing of the Homeleader Meat Grinder. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Homeleader for sending this grinder. One of the reasons I wanted to check this out is a lot of appliances are multifunction. They do this and this and this and that, right? And sometimes I've noticed that some of those things that are totally multifunction like that do one thing very well, do a couple things okay, and then other things they do right? And some things you might want a dedicated appliance to do that because it's going to perform better. It's specifically made for that. It has more power for that. And you might get better performance out of it. So I want to find that out. So we used a meat grinder that was on one of my mixers. And it did fine. But the problem is a lot of the reviews talk about how, you know, they either break it or they jam it or something like that. And so I wanted to, really get into grinding some meat. So we aren't constantly buying commercially ground beef, ground chicken, ground turkey, as well as other things like grinding nuts. We're around Christmas time. We want to make a lot of cookies and stuff. And some of my cookies require ground walnuts and stuff. So I'm going to try it out on that. So this is the Homeleader Meat Grinder. So let's get this thing open. So we have our meat grinder here, and we also have this accessory pack. So the very first thing we're going to do is Eric got a chuck roast. So we're going to grind that up and see how it goes. He's going to make a classic all-American cheeseburger. Maybe put some bacon on it as well, right? So here's our instruction manual. And also in here is a little thank you card. So let's see what we have here. It looks like the grinding dies. And here's a couple other parts. Looks like might be for sausage, right? Wow, this thing is major. So here's the top of it. Let's get all this out of here. Wow, that's pretty cool. Let's see here. So here's our meat grinder. And let's see how this thing works. So we have this, which looks like this is our main unit. You take this off and you have a die here. Wow, this is a lot more substantial than the one for that mixer that I used. Here's your auger. Here's the top to it. Looks like some more dies. We've got a medium and a fine grinder. Cool. And let's put this baby back together. So we got our auger, we got our cutter, I put it on the right way. This is a coarse grind, so you probably use this for chili. If you're grinding some meat for, you want chili grind. And you could put it on here. Nice. Crank it down. Put our chute on here. Sweet. This is pretty sweet. We have our tamper. And this is a sausage stuffer. So let's plug this baby in. Turn it on. Reverse, reverse. Got your meat going through there. This looks like it reverses. Reverse. Sweet. Okay, so let's see what's in this accessory pack. Nice. What is all in here? Wow, look at all this. This is awesome. This is really cool.
Like a salad shooter.
So it's like a salad shooter, exactly. You have this, you have like a slicer, you have, these are some shredders. This is pretty cool, guys. Shredders. You have, this even looks like a strainer, like a juice strainer. Awesome. That is really nice. So we have our meat grinder. We're gonna go ahead and wash this baby up. We're gonna put it in the freezer for a little bit because when you do meat, you want everything to be completely chilled. We're going to be grinding a chuck roast, and then we are going to be making a classic American cheeseburger on the grill. So join us for that on the next upload. Let's get this washed, and we'll see you there. If you want to take a look at the Homeleader Meat Grinder, I'll put a link in the description to the Amazon page. If you like this video, please subscribe below and leave me a comment, a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. Also, my links are below for Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook. Thanks for watching. The very first thing we're going to do is Eric got some ground chuck, and we are going to...
I didn't get ground chuck. We're going to grind chuck.